against the crusading Europeans in the Holy Land. Now, Saladin needed unity amongst his people in order to expel the Europeans. But the Ismailis were stubbornly independent and were refusing to play ball. So Saladin decided to put their fortress under siege. Now this siege didn't last long, and Saladin hastily
buddy, go. Okay, now we're going. Well, we have a dash cam.
He ran a red. Or he jumped.
He ran a red.
I'm on dog 309. A guy just pulled a gun on me after he cut me off and almost ran into my car. 309 Bethlehem Pike and Trevixton Road. He just turned on Trevington Road, trying to run. I'm following him. The SUV main tag is black. Can't tell, he's speeding off right now. I'm trying to catch up. He's turning, making a legal turn now. Well, one, he ran me off the road. Two, he pulled a gun on me. Why would I not follow? I'm not afraid of a gun. He just turned right on county line.
Wow. Oh, and you can pass me if you want to. Sheesh. I left tire marks on green ground.
girl song, and then what we'll probably do, like I couldn't harmonize, we'll have you trade lines.
At that point, it's just you're having a good time. You're giggling, you're having fun. But somewhere along the line,
I can barely even hear what I needed to hear. Oh, I like bitch is gonna tail me, so I'm gonna slow down. This is even better. Hey, let me set my cruise control. Let me set my cruise control right on me. I'll set my cruise control. 35. Who gives a? They're sitting behind me. They're like foot from the back of my car. What are you tailing me for? And then he zips around me to get in front of me. Whatever. Whatever. Oh, don't get your car, man! Don't get out of your car! Don't get out of your car! Don't get out of your car! Get back in your... Go ahead! Get back in your... Don't tail me! Don't... Get back in your car! You want... Spirit, you want a life-changing moment in your life? Do you want a life-changing moment in your life? Get back in your car! Get back in your car! He's out of his car standing at the window. I have no idea. Sitting in front of me, he's sitting in front of me, and now put his hazards on. Like I got my kids in my car. Then what are you following me so close for? I have no idea, dude.